Hello, everyone! Welcome to StoryTone English, your place to learn English through real stories and helpful lessons. Today, we'll talk about something that changes the lives of millions of people every year, the IELTS exam. But this won't be just a guide. It will be a story, the story of how you can prepare for IELTS the right way, step by step, with calm confidence and real results. Imagine this. You are sitting in a quiet exam room. The clock is ticking. You take a deep breath, and you feel ready because you know exactly how to handle every part of the test. That's the goal of this video, to help you reach that feeling of control and confidence. Let's start with a small thought. IELTS is not only a test of English. It is a test of your mindset, your habits, and your daily effort. If you change the way you study and practice, you change the result. So let's see how you can prepare smarter, not harder. First, understand the test like a friend. You cannot win a game if you don't know its rules. The IELTS exam has 4 main parts: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each part checks something different. Listening checks your ability to catch ideas and details in real conversation. Reading checks how fast you understand written text and find answers. Writing checks how you organize and express your thoughts clearly. Speaking checks your fluency, pronunciation, and natural use of English. When you truly understand what each section wants, half your fear disappears. Now let's talk about the listening part. Many students think listening means hearing every word, but that's not true. IELTS listening is about catching meaning, not words. Train your ear every day. Watch English podcasts, short news reports, and even movies with subtitles. Then listen again without subtitles. Your brain will slowly start recognizing patterns, sounds, and connections. That's how fluency builds silently, day after day. Next, the reading part. Here, time is your biggest challenge. You must learn to read fast, but with understanding. Start with simple articles, like news stories or blogs. Underline new words. Guess their meanings from context before checking a dictionary. Read a little every day. Soon your reading speed and vocabulary will grow naturally. Then comes writing, often the hardest part for many students. But don't worry. Good writing starts with clear thinking. Before writing, always plan. Ask yourself, what is the question really asking? Make a small outline, introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Keep sentences short and logical. Use connectors like however, on the other hand, for example. And most importantly, always check your grammar and spelling. Practicing 1 essay a day for 10 minutes is more powerful than writing 1 long essay once a week. Now let's talk about speaking. The secret to good speaking is confidence, not perfection. You don't need big words. You need to sound natural. Think of speaking like storytelling. When the examiner asks a question, don't give one-line answers. Explain your ideas. Add small personal examples. For example, if the examiner asks, "What's your favorite season?" Don't say, "I like winter." Say, "I like winter because it reminds me of my childhood. The cool air makes me feel peaceful, and I enjoyed drinking warm tea with my family." See? Simple words, but powerful communication. And remember, practice speaking alone. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself about random topics for 2 minutes. Record your voice and listen. You will notice small mistakes. Fix them one by one. After a few weeks, you'll hear real improvement. Now let's discuss something that most people ignore: mindset. IELTS is not only about English skill. It is also about how calm and focused you are during the test. Many students panic and forget what they know. So start training your brain. Before you study, take a few deep breaths. Study in silence for 25 minutes, then rest for 5. This is called the Pomodoro method, and it works beautifully. Also, don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on progress, not perfection. If you learn one new phrase a day, that's already a victory. Small wins create big success. Now let's talk about daily routine. A perfect IELTS preparation plan is not about long hours. It's about consistency. Spend 1 hour daily divided like this: 15 minutes listening practice, 15 minutes reading, 15 minutes writing, and 15 minutes speaking. That's all. If you keep this rhythm for 60 days, your English will transform. When you're tired, remember your why. Maybe you want to study abroad, work overseas, or prove your skill. Close your eyes and imagine that dream becoming real. That feeling will keep you going. Let's also discuss the importance of environment. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Think in English. If you see a chair, say in your mind, "This is a chair." If you are walking outside, describe what you see. For example, the sky is bright. The wind feels cool. This habit rewires your brain to think directly in English, no more translating. Finally, remember, IELTS is just one part of your journey. It's not the end. It's a step towards your dreams. Don't fear it. Learn from it. If you fail once, it's not the end. It's feedback. Success comes to those who keep walking, one day at a time. So my advice to you is simple. Make English part of your daily life. Enjoy learning. Listen to stories, read blogs, write journals, and speak whenever you can. And when the test day comes, smile, because you are ready. Thank you for listening to StoryTone English. Keep learning, keep growing, and believe in yourself.